Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a super practical guide on how to send Ethereum from XMO to Gemini in 2025. With the crypto world evolving rapidly, transferring assets securely is more important than ever, especially as we see new regulations and faster blockchain updates. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting out, this step-by-step tutorial will have you moving your ETH smoothly and safely. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both XMO and Gemini. In 2025, these platforms have enhanced security features like biometric logins and AI-powered fraud detection, so enable two-factor authentication on both for extra protection. Once you're logged into your XMO account, head over to the Wallet section. Locate your Ethereum balance and click on the Withdraw or Send button. It's usually straightforward, but double-check for any 2025 specific updates like integrated gas fee estimators. Next, you'll need to enter the recipient's wallet address. For Gemini, go to your Gemini account, navigate to the deposit section, and copy the Ethereum wallet address provided. Paste this carefully into the XMO withdrawal form to avoid any costly mistakes. Remember, crypto transactions are irreversible. Set the amount you want to send, and don't forget to review the network fees, which might be lower in 2025 thanks to advancements like Ethereum 3.0. Hit Confirm, and you'll get a final verification prompt. At this stage, XMO might require additional identity checks for larger transfers, so be prepared. Once the transaction is initiated, it typically takes a few minutes to an hour to process, depending on network congestion. Head back to Gemini and check your account to confirm the deposit. If everything goes smoothly, your Ethereum should appear in your Gemini wallet. Pro tip: always monitor your transactions using blockchain explorers like Etherscan, and keep an eye out for any 2025 tax reporting requirements. There you have it. Sending Ethereum from XMO to Gemini is easier than you think. If you follow these steps, you'll minimize risks and maximize efficiency. Hit that like button if this helped. Subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Stay safe out there in the crypto world, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.